Hi, my name is Dana and I'm from Ulasit. And today we're going to review the second topic of Unit 1 for 7th grade, that is building community. Building community, we can say also classroom vocabulary. It says the building community topic is created to learn the classroom vocabulary. With this, you will know how to communicate with your classmates, teachers in high school or school. We are going to review some examples so you can understand when and how you can use them. The first example is, hello teacher, may I come into the classroom? You will say this when you need permission to enter to the classroom. The second one is, teacher, could you repeat that please? You will use this when you have any doubt about what the teacher is explaining. The other example is, teacher, may I go to the restroom, please? You will say this when you need to go to the restroom. Then we have, may I borrow your pencil or your pen? You will use this example when you need something to borrow. You can change the word pen with other word. It depends on what you need to. Then we have, teacher, how do you say botella in English? You will change the word botella for other word, any other word you need in that moment. The other example is, teacher, how do you pronounce a schedule? This is the same as the previous one. You can change the word schedule to the word that you need to know how to pronounce. Then we have, class, please raise your hand if you have a question. In order to keep the order in the class, you will have to raise your hand in order to ask for questions. Then we have, teacher, can I open the window? We also have, class, please open your books on page 10. The teacher will ask you to open your books. Or if you are working with a pair or with a group, you can also ask them to open their books. Then we have another example that it's, Lucas, could you please write on the board? The teacher will ask for you to write on the board in case that she or he need it. Then we have, class, please do exercise on page 25. The teacher will ask you to do the exercise in any page or in any other book in case that she or he need it. Then we have, class, please do your homework for next week. You are going to receive the homework when you are in class, but you will have to do the homework when you are at home. And last one, we have these two examples. That is, for this project, you will need to work in pairs. That means that you will need to work with another classmate. And last one, it is, class, please pay attention. When the teacher needs you to pay attention to something that he or she is explaining. Thank you very much for paying attention on the community